Hey there, happy campers! Today, gagawa ako ng saucy pork adobo. So, I have pork here, sugar, 7-Up, soy sauce, bay leaf, salt, garlic powder, oregano, red onion, whole peppercorn, vinegar, garlic, and water. So, kukuha tayo ng deep pot. Ilagay ang pork, salt, garlic powder, whole peppercorn, bay leaf, oregano, garlic, soy sauce, red onion, vinegar, and water. Takpan and simmer. So our pork adobo is been simmering low for 30 minutes. I haven't stirred it, so I just scraped the side, but now I'm going to stir it for the first time. The water is boiling already, so just to mix it up, and then I'm going to simmer it again for an hour or two. So I'm simmering low, but if you guys are in a hurry, you can simmer on medium high and just wait till the pork is done. I'm going to add the sugar. Brown sugar will do, but I don't have brown sugar, so I'm using white sugar. And 7-Up. And I'm only going to use half of the 7-Up. So, for the complete list of the ingredients and the measurement, it will be on the description box below, okay? Yes, and we will just let it simmer. So, ito na siya. Nag-simmer siya for 1 hour, pero chine-check ko from time to time and stir para hindi masunog yung bottom. So, already na ang saucy pork adobo natin. Ready na siyang kainin. Pero kung gusto nyo ng less juice, lutuin nyo na lang hanggang sa ma-reach nyo ang desired doneness nyo. So, thank you so much for watching and see you all next time on my next video. Bye!